For paratransit teams, wheelchair lift reliability is not a side process. It is central to service delivery, customer trust, and operational readiness. That is why lift inspection tracking needs a stronger workflow than a generic checklist. When evaluating software, start with traceability. If a lift issue is found, can your team track exactly what was observed, who handled it, what action was taken, and when service was restored? If those details are fragmented across notes, spreadsheets, and separate systems, response quality often becomes inconsistent. Next, evaluate preventive maintenance alignment. Lift reliability depends on routine inspection and service discipline. Software should make upcoming lift-related work visible before failures create service interruptions. Then evaluate documentation quality. Public sector and transit environments require records that are clear and retrievable. Lift-related findings and follow-up actions should be easy to review without reconstruction. A common gap is treating lift checks as an isolated activity rather than part of the broader maintenance system. That creates blind spots in scheduling, escalation, and accountability. A stronger model connects lift inspections with maintenance workflows so teams can move from issue detection to corrective action in a consistent way. Motrix positions wheelchair lift tracking around that connected model for transit and paratransit operations, with focus on ADA critical equipment workflows and retrieval-ready records. If your agency is evaluating software this year, use the lift tracking guide linked in the description as your buyer checklist. And for a broader decision framework, watch our paratransit maintenance software video next.